What's up, everybody? This is Lezima, and I have a little announcement. I am finally moving out to my apartment after renting for 1.5 years. So finally I have a good offer, and I had an opportunity to finally purchase a home and finally calling myself as a homeowner. So I will show you a little tour of the apartment before I remove all my stuff or before I moved out, and hope you guys come along with me and stay tuned. I'm moving out finally, and I'm gonna show you the apartment. I already took down all the hangables. What's left is just those three. And then, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. And here's the living room, and there's no dining table because they converted it into another bedroom, which is I'm using it as an office. And then this is the kitchen or dining nook bar. Here's the living room, and I'm gonna show you guys the old dining, and now it's like another room or a bonus room, but I'm using it as a bit office. It's a lot of stuff now because I'm packing. Then I'm gonna take you to Taiwan's room. I already took down all the hangables too, and here is the one, the other bedroom. That's the closet. It's pretty decent size, but Taiwan has a queen bed, so he still has a lot of space. And here's his messy toy. And then from the first bedroom, this is the living room, and I'm gonna take you to the guest bathroom or the common bathroom. I took out the shelf and some stuff here. You can see this sparkle everywhere. And then it's a big bathroom size. Then here is the laundry closet, and here is the cute kitchen. I'm sorry, I didn't clean. I'm unpacking actually, or sorry, I'm packing actually. So on this hallway I have the laundry closet, and this is a closet but I turned it into a pantry. There you go. And then here's the master bedroom, and I took down all the wall decoration, and that square right there, it's actually wall sconce that I took out, and it's the owner, they left it there, but for the meantime I took it out. And I'm gonna remove the draperies last, and they have this desks, bedroom desk, and I put all my shoes in there. Then that's the closet. It's a little messy, but yeah, there you go. And here's another master bedroom or bathroom. yeah, so I took out all of the stuff already, and I'm ready to box some small stuff to big stuff. So yeah, I'm so excited, and I am finally moving out, and I can't wait to leave this place. I mean, it's not really bad apartment. I love it, and the fact that I'm in the first floor is very nice. But the thing though, that if you have a crazy neighbor upstairs, which is I do have like twice, it's crazy. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm so excited to show you the new place. And visit my website lezimadesignsservice.com, and please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm so excited to move into the new house, and stay tuned and follow. This is Lezima Designs. I bought a home.